Hi, Peter here. The reason I started this channel was to hopefully glean some of my knowledge and experience, share it with our swimmers, parents, families, fellow coaches, anybody who wants to listen, really. There's a lot of information out there, a lot of misinformation, a lot of plain wrong information. I try and do my best to research and make the best decisions. When I do find that I'm wrong, based upon further answers, I'll admit it, I'll move on, I'll learn, as we should all. That's why we're here, to support each other. That's why I'm here. That's why I started this Chef Coach Peter channel. I love food, as we all do. Love music, love swimming, love the people involved in swimming. So I'm looking forward to talking to more people, sharing that with others, learning, discovering new things, remembering old things, reminiscing, and hopefully helping each other, or helping you to help yourself, or you to help me.
Help me! Help me, Rod. Help me! Help you. Help me. Help you. Help me. Help you.
In any case, if everybody's supporting each other, being nice, even if we disagree, we will definitely learn from each other and move forward and grow. And that's what this is all about, isn't it? So I hope you enjoy what I have to offer. Some of the talks that I will have, the interviews, just a lot of great stuff soon to a YouTube near you. Enjoy.